Hi, I'm Justin, DevOps Engineer, and I give Amazon S3 5 out of 5. For more reviews like these, please click the link below. Before using Amazon S3, we were using local on-premises file storage. It's good for very simple use cases, but whenever you want to scale it out to global proportions or build cloud-based applications for it, obviously a local file share is not going to be enough. We chose Amazon S3 because we had already chosen AWS. That's the simple answer. The more complex answer is we chose S3 because it just works. S3 is a remarkably simple service. You put objects in it, you can define very flexible lifecycle policies, you have different tiers for different types of files, like how available you want to keep the files, and the pricing was very straightforward, reasonable, and easy to understand. Just overall, a really great service. It was really easy to get started with S3. The only difficulty we had at first was certain naming conventions with the bucket names. Like, you have to have a globally unique Amazon S3 bucket name, so if you choose the bucket name foobar, then nobody else in all of AWS can choose that same bucket name. In addition to that, you need to name them according to not being able to use periods or special characters like that, so that was a bit of an adjustment too. But once you get the initial quirks down, the rest is relatively smooth. If you're considering using Amazon S3, consider it not just as a service unto itself, but as a building block to other AWS services as well. Other services like CloudWatch can record data to S3, so the more that you use S3, the better equipped you are to use other AWS services as well. So I would not let S3 be an end unto itself, but as a stepping stone to the rest of the AWS ecosystem. It's a great way to get involved.